So I saw your question and your image on the discussion board. Your question asks for the critical value. You're told it's a t distribution. You're told n equals 17 in the directions. The degrees of freedom is n minus 1, so 17 minus 1, the degrees of freedom 16. And so in this column you'd want to find 16. You're told alpha is 0.01. It's a two-tailed test, and so you got to take alpha and divide by 2. 0.01 divided by 2, we get 0.005. And I'm drawing a picture here of your t distribution. You know, it's two-tailed, so you got 0.005 here, 0.005 here, which gives you, the level of significance is 0.01. And so we take the 0.005 here, take the degrees of freedom, and if we cross the 2, we get 2.921. That's the critical values, plus and minus. The minus would be here and the positive would be here. I hope that helps.